everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. Happy New Year. From early indications, it looks like this may have been the best earnings New Year's Eve going back 6 or 7 years. At least it was in Los Angeles. So, I'm urging all of you to send me your screenshots of December 31 and January 1 to Sergio at therideshareguy.com. Just take a screenshot and shoot it over. Why am I asking you this? Well, that's because we're also going to start Show Me the Money on January 7th, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern with another bang. We are going to award the top 3 contestants, top 3 earners combined on both apps gift cards live during the show. So, please send me the screenshots, Sergio at therideshareguy.com. Combined earnings, Uber and Lyft. And join us for the live stream, Chris and I, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern, on Tuesday, January 7th. And during the live stream, we will announce the winners of the gift cards. We'll leave the gift card amounts surprise, but it's a token of our appreciation to start the new year for our supporters, subscribers, and members. Again, hope you all killed it. Hope you all stayed safe. And can't wait for the first episode of Show Me the Money Club on Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern.
First, Happy New Year to all my brothers and sisters on wheels. I wish all of you a healthy, happy, prosperous 2025. Thank you for your support. And it looks like we're all gonna eat. First time I've seen this in probably 3 or 4 years in LA. So please send me your screen recordings of your city, Sergio at therideshareguy.com, and we'll put them up on the next Show Me the Money Club, Tuesdays at 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to shut up and let's see where the surge is at. Looks pretty good to me. Let's go get it. Oh yeah, this is Uber. To my east, decent, pretty decent. To the south, not too bad. And it'll get more red. It's only 12:38. And now we're going to some real heavy surge numbers. Please do short trips, one after the other, nothing more than 5 miles. Grab that 28, grab that 23, grab that 24, and hope you all know how to carry it with you. Fight Club. Looking good. Look at this. I haven't seen these numbers. This is all reminiscent of 5, 6, 8 years ago. I guess there is no oversaturation, is it now? Looking good. Some 30s. They cap it at 30. I mean, it is what it is. Look at this solid. Look at this. Look at this cluster, people. Look at this cluster downtown. Look at this. Limit up. Look at this. This is great. I want you to all send me your New Year's Eve earning screenshot, Sergio at therideshareguy.com. In fact, you know what? I think we will do a contest and we'll do a giveaway. We definitely will do a giveaway. Whoever has the highest earnings for December 31. I'll run it up with Chris and Harry, and I'm pretty sure we'll come up with a sweet, sweet gift for the winner. It is surging everywhere, people. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Beautiful. Even the valley is surging. Look at that. And then down to Santa Monica. Look at Santa Monica. Look at that cluster. I haven't seen that forever. This is what it used to be like, people. And right back to 30s. Look at those 30s. Look at those 30s. Beautiful. Beautiful. Short surge trips, boys, girls. Hollywood. Look at those 30s. Look at those clusters of 30s. Yeah, baby. You just gotta stay in that hot zone. Use the destination filter. Set it and forget it. Back and forth, back and forth. This is wonderful. Okay, let's look at Lyft. Let's see. Yeah, Lyft is not as heavy. Not as heavy. It'll probably build, but yep, Uber is winning the surge wars. I am not sure if Lyft has enough density, but Lyft is probably capping it at 25. Yeah, I'd rather drive Uber. I'd rather turn on Uber. That's why you have to multi-app, people. You got to multi-app. No ifs, no buts. No ifs, no buts. This is wonderful. I'm grateful that I got to see this again. And let's go sniping. Let's go sniping. Wow, look at Uber. Uber is just out of control surging. Look at those 30s. I haven't seen that many 30s in 6 years. Look at that. We're just stuck at 30. I know on the back end they're charging the customer 80 probably. I mean $80 surge, not $80 for the trip, but it's probably more. But they have the multiplier on the back end. Look at that cluster of 30s. I haven't seen this forever. I'm gonna keep this video forever. Look at this. Look at this. Just refreshed. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe. Join us Tuesday. Send me your videos, please. Sergio at RideShareGuy.com. Be safe. Get that money. All right. Couple more minutes. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Look at this bleeding Los Angeles and everywhere else. All the way down to Long Beach. All the way to Santa Monica. All the way up north. Look at this. Man, this used to be the normal. Now we have the new normal. Well, it is what it is. No complaints. And let's zoom in. Let's see. Yeah, I got some 22s, 30s around me. I gotta go. I gotta go hunting. I gotta go hunting. Yeah, baby. Like I said, send me. Look at this. Look at these 30s. Holy crap. Love it. Let's eat. Let's eat. Look at this. I can't believe my eyes. Look at Santa Monica. Up to Beverly Hills. West Hollywood. Downtown. Look at this. This will be like this for a few hours. You guys send me your earnings screenshots for December 31, that 24-hour period, that single day. Tips and all. Whoever earned the most money. We'll probably do a top 3 and give some gift cards out. Come on, boys and girls. Let's go. Let's go. Let's eat. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Let me see what kind of offers I'm getting. Let me turn my app on. Yeah, that looks good. No worries. $6. I am working for 6. 12 included. Look at this trip. As a reservation. No, no thanks. And it's a share trip. No thanks. No thanks. Not gonna happen. Yeah, not gonna happen. 6 is not enough. Ping me with a 30. Now we're talking. Where are we going? Nah, it's taking me out. Too far east. Not happening. Not happening. Not happening. Definitely not happening. There are no drivers, people. There are no drivers. There are no drivers. You bet. Let me see if they're gonna throttle me now. Yeah, they probably will. There's a trip. There's a trip. Let's eat. Short pickup, short drop off. 25 a piece. Yeah, forget the trip radar, Uber. I am messing with trip radar. A delivery. Look at this puppy. Nope. Not doing deliveries at this hour. I would do it otherwise, but no. I have deliveries on. Oh, let me turn inner city too. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what let's turn inner city. Now we have inner city on as well. Another delivery. No delivery. What delivery, bro? Don't throttle me now. See, my surge is stuck at 6. Let's turn the app off. Yeah, let's turn it back on. Let me get a 12. Why am I stuck at 6? Let's see if we go to 8. Looks good. 6. Okay. I ain't doing it for 6. There's a 15. There's a trip right there. That's $50 an hour. But see, all the pickups are long. You guys see this? Not enough drivers. That's why we're bleeding. Not enough drivers. Where are those 30s? Yep, there they are. Nope. Nope. Yeah. Positioning is everything. Look at all these pickups. 6 mile pickup, 2 mile drop off. Customers paying $50 for that. Nope. But it is what it is. This is awesome. Send me all your earnings. Send me all your screenshots. Send me your videos. See, another long pickup. Every pickup is 4 or 5 miles away. There are no drivers. I'm getting picked up. I have to drive to pick people up. There are no drivers. That's why it's happening. Demand is outstripping supply. Play the game. Brothers and sisters on wheels, play the game. Oh, that's decent right there. As a reservation? No, thanks. Not dealing with reservations at this hour. Delivery. Nobody, no. No, thank you. I'm just stuck at $6 surge. It doesn't matter. They're pinging me outside the zone. Let's see if they ping me with a 30 outside the zone. I'll take it. Nope. See, all the pickups are 4 or 5 miles away. What does that say? That says there are no drivers. There are no drivers. See, another 5 mile away pickup. I'm literally going back and forth to where I'm at. Nope. We'll do one more and then we'll end it. This is great. That's the one. Let's eat. And it's taking me to higher surge. Alright, boys and girls. Have a great night.